From our fields to your family, our pineapple brings joy and healthy delight to every household, every single day.
In the heart of Korea, innovation meets agriculture, cultivating the perfect pineapple within advanced, controlled environments.
Behold the giant machine, a titan of engineering, where precision and power converge to transform raw fruit. Finally, our premium pineapple arrives in stores, a beacon of freshness, ready for discerning consumers everywhere to enjoy. Within this technological marvel, a precision blade awaits, poised to execute a flawless cut in mere milliseconds. Flawlessly cut pineapple rings glide along the conveyor, each piece undergoing rigorous inspection, ensuring absolute perfection. Behind every perfect cut, advanced analytics and holographic technology guide our engineers, optimizing every single parameter.
Robotic precision ensures every pineapple chunk is perfectly arranged, maintaining the highest standards of hygiene and presentation.
Beyond automation, skilled human eyes perform meticulous checks, ensuring every single pineapple piece meets our exacting standards.
High-speed automation seals in the freshness, preserving the vibrant taste and quality of every perfectly cut pineapple chunk.
In the heart of Korea, innovation meets agriculture, cultivating the perfect pineapple within advanced, controlled environments.
Every package undergoes final scanning, a crucial step ensuring accurate inventory and seamless dispatch to its destination. A fleet of modern trucks stands ready, poised to deliver our premium pineapple products across the nation and beyond. Finally, our premium pineapple arrives in stores, a beacon of freshness, ready for discerning consumers everywhere to enjoy.
In the heart of Korea, innovation meets agriculture, cultivating the perfect pineapple within advanced, controlled environments.
In professional kitchens, our meticulously processed pineapple becomes the star, inspiring chefs to create culinary masterpieces daily.
From root to rapid cut, our journey is a symphony of innovation, speed, and unwavering dedication to quality.
Our journey begins with the earth, nurturing young pineapple plants under the gentle care of dedicated hands. Under the sun, each pineapple is meticulously inspected for peak ripeness, ensuring only the finest fruit is harvested.
In the frosty depths of our chilling chamber, skilled hands prepare the perfectly cooled pineapple for its next journey.
As the golden elixir cascades, swirling around ice, promising pure, refreshing papaya delight. After cleansing, skilled human eyes perform a final, meticulous inspection, ensuring every pineapple meets our rigorous quality benchmarks.
A rapid chilling process locks in the freshness, scientifically preserving the pineapple's vibrant taste and texture for you. In the frosty depths of our chilling chamber, skilled hands prepare the perfectly cooled pineapple for its next journey. Precision calibration is paramount. Skilled hands fine-tune every laser sensor, ensuring absolute cutting accuracy always.
Welcome to the core of our operation, the main cutting room, where immense power meets unparalleled precision, transforming fruit.
Witness the surgical precision. The core is swiftly removed, leaving the perfect, sweet pineapple flesh untouched. Our automated peeling mechanism swiftly removes the tough skin, revealing the succulent, golden heart of the pineapple.
Peeled and cored, each pineapple cylinder glides onward, perfectly prepared for its transformation into delicious segments. Within the machine's heart, circular blades await, ready to transform each pineapple cylinder into perfect, uniform rings.
In breathtaking slow motion, witness the flawless transformation. Pineapple cylinders become perfect, glistening rings in an instant.
Thousands of perfect pineapple rings glide along, undergoing a purifying rinse, ensuring absolute cleanliness and readiness.
In our advanced lab, 3D scans meticulously detect even microscopic imperfections.
Imperfections are swiftly identified and removed by robotic precision, ensuring only the finest pineapple rings continue their journey.
Even after automation, skilled human eyes provide a final, meticulous inspection, ensuring every pineapple ring is flawless.
From perfect rings to versatile chunks and tidbits, our advanced lines transform pineapple into various delicious forms.
Witness the incredible precision. Pineapple rings are diced into perfect, uniform chunks in a breathtaking flash of blades.
Perfectly diced pineapple chunks cascade into sterile hoppers, ready for their journey, preserving their vibrant freshness.
Every batch undergoes rigorous human inspection, ensuring each pineapple chunk meets our uncompromising quality standards. From individual cups to industrial tubs, our automated lines precisely fill containers, delivering pineapple in every desired form.
Robotic arms meticulously seal each cup, preserving the vibrant freshness and flavor of our perfectly cut pineapple. Every sealed tub undergoes a final, precise weight check, guaranteeing consistency and quality in every single package.
Automated systems efficiently box and palletize our products, preparing them for seamless, large-scale distribution worldwide.
From this modern hub, our premium pineapple products embark on their global journey, reaching tables worldwide.
Behold the final product, a perfect convergence of nature's bounty and meticulous, innovative, quality-driven production. Our pineapples bring families together, offering a taste of pure, natural joy in every single vibrant, wholesome bite. At dawn, our advanced facility awakens, nurturing young pineapples with sustainable innovation, ensuring their perfect growth. The last drop savored, a journey of flavor completed, leaving a lingering taste of pure, natural delight.
Go ahead, take a big piece. It's so juicy. Careful, don't eat it too fast.
Mature, golden pineapples embark on their journey, entering our pristine facility for meticulous, hygienic processing. Behind the giant machine lies brilliant engineering, continuously refined by our dedicated team for ultimate precision.
Precision calibration is paramount. Skilled hands fine-tune every laser sensor, ensuring absolute cutting accuracy always.
The giant machine operates flawlessly, a symphony of engineering, transforming pineapples into perfect segments with incredible speed.
At dawn, our advanced facility awakens, nurturing young pineapples with sustainable innovation, ensuring their perfect growth. Robotic precision packs each perfect segment, guaranteeing meticulous placement and hygienic handling for every single product.
A final, precise weight check ensures every package meets our exact specifications, guaranteeing consistent quality always. Automated lines meticulously seal and label, ensuring every package is perfectly branded, ready to deliver premium quality. A tamper-evident seal guarantees absolute product integrity and consumer safety, a promise of untouched freshness. Each container is meticulously arranged into branded display boxes, ensuring a premium presentation for our valued customers.
Our advanced cold storage preserves freshness, ensuring pineapple products maintain peak quality from factory to destination. Precise sub-zero temperatures are meticulously maintained, ensuring our pineapple products remain perfectly fresh, always.
Into refrigerated trucks, our premium pineapple embarks on its journey, maintaining perfect temperature, reaching you fresh.
Through bustling city streets, our refrigerated trucks deliver freshness, ensuring our pineapple reaches every urban home.
At the supermarket, our pineapple products are meticulously displayed, ready to bring vibrant freshness to your home.
The ultimate reward, a child's pure delight, savoring the juicy, wholesome goodness of our perfectly cut pineapple.
In our advanced facilities, genetically optimized pineapple plants thrive under precise conditions, pioneering the future of agriculture.
At the cellular level, our scientists unlock pineapple's genetic secrets, driving innovation for superior fruit quality. Robotic arms meticulously seal each cup, preserving the vibrant freshness and flavor of our perfectly cut pineapple.
AI vision systems meticulously pre-sort each pineapple, ensuring optimal quality and perfect ripeness before processing.
With precision, each pineapple enters the giant machine, where cutting-edge engineering transforms it instantly. In a blink, the pineapple undergoes a multi-stage transformation. Crown, base, core, and peel, all removed flawlessly. Perfectly peeled and cored, golden pineapple cylinders emerge, ready for their next transformation, ensuring pristine quality.
Rotating blades swiftly transform pineapple cylinders into countless perfect, uniform rings, a marvel of engineering.
Advanced drying perfects each pineapple ring, ensuring optimal texture and preserving its natural, delicious sweetness.
Even with automation, skilled human hands perform a final, discerning selection, ensuring only the finest rings proceed. Rotating blades swiftly transform pineapple cylinders into countless perfect, uniform rings, a marvel of engineering.
Laser-guided heat seals ensure absolute freshness and security, protecting our premium pineapple in every eco-pouch. Human expertise provides the final touch. A meticulous visual inspection ensures every eco-pouch meets our rigorous standards. Laser-guided heat seals ensure absolute freshness and security, protecting our premium pineapple in every eco-pouch.
From our sustainable hub, electric trucks silently depart, carrying our eco-friendly pineapple products to a greener world.
Our eco-friendly pineapple pouches, a blend of natural goodness and sustainable design, are truly a premium product. Our eco-friendly pineapple pouches, a blend of natural goodness and sustainable design, are truly a premium product.
From our sustainable hub, electric trucks silently depart, carrying our eco-friendly pineapple products to a greener world.
From a tiny seed to your table, our pineapple's journey is a symphony of nature, technology, and dedication.
Within our hydroponic farm, pineapple roots draw life from nutrient-rich solutions, thriving in a controlled, pristine environment. Micro-irrigation precisely delivers vital nutrients, a testament to our scientific approach to perfect pineapple growth. Before processing, skilled human eyes meticulously inspect each pineapple, guaranteeing only the highest quality fruit proceeds.
Our automated warehouse, a marvel of logistics, efficiently stores and manages every pineapple product with precision. At the cellular level, our scientists unlock pineapple's genetic secrets, driving innovation for superior fruit quality.
Thermal imaging provides real-time internal temperature data, ensuring optimal pineapple conditions for superior quality and preservation. A ballet of robotic arms performs multi-tool precision processing, transforming each pineapple with unparalleled speed and accuracy. Dual-stream quality checks ensure every ring and chunk meets our exacting standards, guaranteeing consistent perfection. Our versatile packaging lines meticulously prepare both pineapple rings and chunks, ensuring consistent quality across all products. Automated QA scans verify every package, ensuring perfect seals, pristine labels, and uncompromising product integrity.
Our QA Control Center ensures continuous improvement, meticulously analyzing data to uphold the highest product standards.
Our automated warehouse, a marvel of logistics, efficiently stores and manages every pineapple product with precision.
Real-time inventory ensures seamless dispatch, coordinating every order with precision, guaranteeing timely delivery always. From innovation to your table, our commitment to quality, speed, and sustainability shines in every single pineapple. Through the futuristic city, autonomous vehicles deliver, ensuring our pineapple reaches every home, silently and sustainably.
Our automated warehouse, a marvel of logistics, efficiently stores and manages every pineapple product with precision.
From innovation to your table, our commitment to quality, speed, and sustainability shines in every single pineapple.